G3 Conservation Corps members, you have changed history.
One of the things that is really notable about the G3 Conservation Corps is how visible, images of you all working hard and inspiring the community to take action.
This is a perfect time to really utilize all the things that you managed to learn to initiate change.
This program is indeed transformative. Sustainability starts within our own lives and our habits in working towards a more sustainable future for our island and for our Earth.
Each and every one of you, ladies and gentlemen, has stepped up to the plate. Our island needs to continue to be as beautiful as we've been blessed with.
We learned so much working with you guys. You guys bring a lot to the table with your different experiences, your different backgrounds.
Sustainability is something that everybody needs to be a part of. We can't do it alone, and everybody has a role to play.